The Kodiak Canvas Truck Tent is a sturdy and reliable companion for outdoor adventures. It transforms your pickup into a durable, all-weather camping base, ready for any trip. Its strong frame, made from weather-resistant steel, ensures stability even in strong winds and rough conditions. The tent body is crafted from HydroShield 100% cotton duck canvas, making it durable, breathable, and highly water-resistant. Inside, large D-shaped doors, ventilation windows, and handy gear pockets make the space comfortable and practical for longer stays. Setting up is simple with clamp-on rails that attach securely to your truck bed, giving you a quick and stable shelter wherever you go. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, this tent fits most full-size trucks and provides excellent protection against rain, snow, and harsh weather. With durability, comfort, and easy setup, the Kodiak Canvas Truck Tent is perfect for all-season camping adventures. Opus OP Light Camper Trailer. The Opus OP Light is a small off-road camper trailer designed for travelers who want comfort with durability. Weighing only 2,380 pounds, it can be towed smoothly by most SUVs and Jeeps. Its standout feature is the patented air tent inflation system, which sets up the main tent frame in less than 2 minutes with just one button, removing the hassle of poles. The trailer also includes a slide-out stainless steel kitchen fitted with a 4-burner stove, sink, and fridge, giving you a complete outdoor cooking setup. Inside, there is a cozy RV queen-size bed and a convertible lounge that offers a comfortable sleeping and sitting area for 2 adults. Built with a tough all-terrain chassis and independent trailing arm coil suspension, the OP Light is made to handle rough tracks, making it an excellent choice for off-grid camping and outdoor adventures. SeaLegs 12 RC. The SeaLegs 12 RC is a modern amphibious boat designed for both water and land travel. It measures 12 meters, 38.7 feet, in length and has a beam of 3.8 meters, 12.5 feet. What makes it stand out is its retractable wheels, which allow it to move smoothly from water onto land without the need for a trailer or ram. On the water, the 12 RC is powered by twin Yamaha 425 horsepower outboard engines, giving it a top speed of 40 knots, 74 km per hour. On land, its large wheels and all-wheel drive system allow it to drive at speeds of up to 8 km per hour, 5 miles per hour. Built for strength and luxury, the SeaLegs 12 RC offers unmatched freedom and flexibility for those who enjoy exploring both sea and shore. While it comes at a premium, starting at around $1.35 million NZD, it's ideal for buyers looking for a unique, high-end boating experience that goes beyond the ordinary. Brumby 121. The Brumby 121 by Adventureman is a strong and reliable off-road teardrop camper, built for comfort and adventure in tough outdoor settings. Though small in size, it's fully equipped with everything you need, like a queen-size bed, a compact kitchen with a 2-burner stove, and a 12-volt fridge, making it ideal for longer trips. Made with a sturdy aluminum body, the Brumby 121 is built to handle harsh weather and rough terrain, whether you're exploring deserts or mountains. Its lightweight design allows it to be easily towed by many types of vehicles, helping save fuel while still offering great features like USB ports and a solar power setup. With good insulation, weather protection, and plenty of storage space, this camper is a solid choice for people who love outdoor adventures but also want comfort. Whether you're heading off-grid or just enjoying the outdoors, the Brumby 121 offers the right mix of durability, convenience, and practical design. Seal Vans Caravan. Seal Vans Caravans are designed to work both on land and water, letting you travel smoothly without switching vehicles. Made by a Turkish startup, these unique caravans offer the freedom to explore wherever you want. One lightweight model weighs under 750 kilograms, which means it may not require registration, a license, or even road tax in some regions. It's great for short trips and can sleep 2 adults comfortably. There's also a larger, family-friendly version with a double axle for extra support. It comes with a small kitchen, a compact bathroom with a shower, and seating that turns into beds. This model can fit up to 3 adults or a family of 2 adults and 2 young kids. Seal Vans Caravans can easily switch from driving on roads to cruising on water. They're powered by an outboard motor that can reach speeds of up to 13 knots, 24 km per hour, on water. Even on land, they perform well. Seal Vans offers a fun and flexible way to enjoy both land and water adventures in one vehicle. Conquer UEV 490. The Conqueror UEV 490 is a strong and smart off-road camper trailer made for people who want comfort and toughness while exploring remote places. Built with a military-style design, it uses lightweight materials and modern engineering, making it both durable and easy to tow, even on rough terrain. Inside, it feels like a small, well-organized home. It includes a working kitchen with a stove, fridge, microwave, and handy storage spaces. The trailer also offers cozy sleeping space for up to 4 people, with an insulated and weather-resistant sleeping area for extra comfort. On the outside, the UEV 490 is built to handle the outdoors. It features high ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and an independent suspension system, all working together to provide a smooth and steady ride on bumpy trails. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or exploring new paths, the Conqueror UEV 490 gives you a perfect mix of luxury, strength, and reliability in any environment. Caracat 66. The Caracat 66 is an amphibious caravan, meaning it works both as a houseboat and a land vehicle. Built by Turkish company Karat, this clever design lets you enjoy road trips and peaceful cruises on water, all with one vehicle. It features a special pontoon system that folds out when you're on the water, turning it into a stable catamaran. When you're back on land, the pontoons fold underneath so it can be easily towed by another vehicle. Inside, the Caracat 66 offers a cozy living area, a small kitchen, a bathroom with a toilet and shower, and storage space. It can sleep up to 4 adults with a foldable bed in the living room and a separate bedroom. There's also a small balcony for relaxing and enjoying the view, along with a rooftop lounge that's perfect for sunbathing. While it's not made for high speeds, it has thrusters to move smoothly in calm water. At 6.6 meters, 22 feet, long, it may need a towing permit, but it's an ideal choice for adventure lovers who want comfort on land and water.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.